Yes. Lights on.
Oh, that's a nice fish, man.
I need lights. Oh no, too small. It's a Walter though.
It is a Walter.
It's a Walter.
And it's our best one yet.
Yeah, too small though.
Well, show it to the camera.
Yeah. He was a hungry boy.
Yeah. Excellent.
Nice looking fish, eh?
Yeah.
Should we measure him just out of curiosity?
Yeah, you can measure him.
I think he's probably what, like 15 inches? Oh yeah, not even 15 inches. He's 14 inches.
Okay. Well, that's good.
Yeah.
That's progress. And it's so cool because the ice is so clear.
Yeah, I
See him come
know.
up.
I saw him like for a while there under the ice.
Awesome.
That was awesome.
Very good. Congratulations.
Thank you. Let's get another one.